NPP candidate for Shillong Parliamentary seat, Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh, today filed nomination for the upcoming Lok Sabha polls. Accompanied by the two Deputy Chief Ministers, leaders and supporters, Ampareen Lyngdoh reached the DC office and filed the nomination. Lyngdoh, while speaking to media person, expressed confidence that she would win the Lok Sabha polls. The four-time legislator Lyngdoh served as a cabinet minister in the MDA-2 government. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong denied any anti-incumbency against the ruling MDA-2 government in the state and said more people are coming under the party fold.
And we believe that in our efforts to serve the people, we shall be able to put one after the other these pending issues. It is going to be a big challenge for me personally. Our own NPP members as well as coalition members, I am sure that together this team will be strong. They will help me. This is something which MP in the past did not have. I have that as the advantage, and it clearly poises me in a very, very comfortable position.
In fact, I'm telling you, people are joining us every day. Why they do that? Why they do that? Because they have seen it, not only MDA-1, but MDA-2, a matter of 1 year. We have seen a lot of changes, a lot of focus we made for the interest of the state as a whole. So therefore, a lot of leaders, irrespective of which denomination you are, which party you are, but they keep joining us. So you understand that NPP.
The second phase of